Hello! Let's take a quick tour and quickly familiarize ourselves with Simplio3D. Our main goal in this video is to quickly introduce the key features found in the platform before you start exploring the application in more detail. We will cover three critical sections within the app: 3D assets, where you upload and manage your 3D models; materials, where you add and manage materials for your 3D models; and finally, the products section, where you create the configurators. Let's start with 3D assets. In 3D assets, browse and select the file. Then click Upload to upload the 3D model. Once the file is uploaded, change its status to Ready, then save it so you can use it in a configurator. Let's move on to materials. Simplio3D has a cool way to create materials. Click Add Material to add your first material. Enter the name of your material and then change the material's status to Ready, so you can use it in your configurator. Select the material type and surface. Choose the texture or color of your material. You can set the specular, reflection, and opacity to better reproduce the desired material. You can create almost any type of material easily from these settings. Click Save and add your first material. Repeat this process and add more colors so you can use them as optional variants for your 3D configurator. Here you can load textures and use them instead of colors. Add them into categories to better manage the materials when creating the configurator. Now let's move on to products. Click Add Product to add your first product. Type the name and click Save. Click Edit to start working on your configurator. You need to complete 6 steps to successfully launch your first version. The first step is to select the configurator layout. The second step is to add the 3D model you uploaded. The third step is where you actually create the options for your configurator. Here you can choose from a number of option set blocks that have different attributes. In this example, I'm using an options block called Material to add a color option to my product. We can also add other types of option blocks, which will be detailed in another video. After adding the options block, I can now click the Preview button to preview my configurator. The preview mode is very useful when you want to test the configurator while you are working on it. The fourth step is where you set the price of the configurator. You can disable pricing if your configurator does not offer a price. The fifth step is where you create the contact form. As with pricing, you can disable it if the configurator doesn't offer a submission form, or you can create an Add to Cart button and integrate with an e-commerce platform. The last step is where we share the configurator. Each configurator generates a unique source link and HTML code that you can copy or paste and embed anywhere you want on a web page. If you want to dive deeper into learning the application, please access our documentation for more detailed information on how to build your desired configurator. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more tutorials.